Alright, y'all, check it out. It's the Perception Outlaw 11.5-foot kayak. This is my fish flare. The seat is off. Right up in the shop right now. That's in there. But this thing right here, I tell you, I love it. You can't flip that thing. And I've been in some real deep water in the Pamlico. Way out there out in Oriental. Our storms. Alright, y'all, here we go. Update on our cabbage collared cross and our kale collared crosses. Look at those. Here's the kale cabbage cross. And these are the Carolina collards with the Georgia heading collards or cabbage collard cross right there. They're all doing lovely. Yeah. Look at that. Got two in there. How'd that happen? Oh well. Hey y'all. Thanks for coming by. This is a fish flare. If you're looking for a kayak, I highly recommend it. And what we got rolling up on here? We got a Pinfish 5. That's the 60. Then we got a Shakespeare. And then we got a Penor. Yeah. And then we got another Shakespeare. Good little rods for, well, these two here from a big drum. This one here pulling decent drum and decent sized trout, but these for the big boys. And this one here is my all around one that I got for Christmas. Little man. But yeah, y'all, I highly recommend that if y'all are looking for a kayak. But check it out, y'all. It's beautiful out there, ain't it? Is it not? I'm way happier here than I was in my house. Thankfully, I got my decoy carving shop with me, the Ruddy Shack. And we'll be doing more carving soon. Rearrange stuff in there so I can get back to carving. Because fishing slowed down right now. Everything's moved out deeper to the river.